going on, guys? Welcome back to another Street Series video. So it's currently about 5 in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and head to work, but before I do, this is Andrew, the neighbor's Lancer. He just got it recently, maybe like a few days ago. Yeah, today we're gonna be giving him our old wheels, and he's gonna be buying tires too, getting them mounted. So here's the first look at it. It's completely stock. It's in pretty good condition besides like the paint right here. But other than that, the car's like completely clean. It's in good condition, like I said. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'm heading to work, but they're gonna be putting on the new wheels. So yeah, this is how it looks now, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks when I get home. Congrats on your first car, Andrew. Good shit, bro. Now let's head to work. Alright guys, I got out early enough from work to be able to go with these boys. You get the wheels mounted and balanced. Sorry if you can hear me chewing them. Grubbing on an Uncrustable. Yeah, we're about to go get the wheels mounted and balanced for the Lancer. So after this, it's gonna look much different. What does that say? Pubic or what?
The people who repaired them.
Oh.
Oh, the chain.
Oh, fuck.
They're like perfectly repaired. Like they just have to be repainted.
Alright guys, here's a little sneak peek of how it's gonna look. Damn! That should look sick, droid. I'm gonna take a picture right there.
Let the homie have the wheels for free.
Shout out to Lalo for letting droids have the wheels. Yeah, I think that'll be cool right there, droid. Oh yeah. You excited? That's gonna look sick. Alright guys, so I'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna head over to Boosted Auto Sports and get these babies mounted and balanced. For the last time you're gonna see the lurks like this. Alright guys, so here are the wheels with the tires mounted and balanced on them. As you can see, there's a small amount of lip that pokes out. Only on the rears though. The rears are a little wider. And then these are the fronts.
They're staggered.
There's a staggered set.
In the front, 9.5 in the back.
La. For those of you that don't know what staggered is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So basically, one set is wider. Usually the rear is wider. So as here, you can kind of tell right here. Imagine, George, your side skirt just smashes into your door. I say we put coilovers and leave it that high. Oh.
Hey.
Right there should be cool enough.
Yeah. Let's put coilovers and just leave it like this.
Remember Chewy's car? It was in the air like that. And fucking my grandma said, "Oh, it looks really nice like that." Guys, the first old wheel is coming off. Them boys going straight to offer up.
Dang, these tires were fucked. Look, they're all cracked.
It's probably the... Damn! Ooh, let's see.
No, it should be good.
Alright, just put the stud in the hole.
Easier if you grab it.
Alright guys, he's learning.
Let me put my foot.
Okay, he's about to take the shirt off. So just basically, here, the best way, grab it from the front, grab it from like the actual, like the rim. I grab it from any of the spokes.
But like, you have to kneel down.
And then, yeah. And then basically just try to line it up and then put it in.
That's what she said.
And they should all go in.
Get, like, no. sit on your butt and you use your feet. It's actually easier that way. Use your feet and your hands. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, see, like that too.
Fucking up the kicks. Oh, those are new kicks? Right there? See the hole? Yeah. Try to get one stud in.
Once you get one in, all the other ones will fall in at the same time.
Get that one, yeah, right there. There.
There you go. 80.
Here, put one of these. What's that mug on?
Whew, that was a good ass workout, huh?
Yeah. I'm sweating, bro.
Hundreds?
Yeah.
Dude. Look at his face. It's ugly. Alright guys, so this is before with the stocks. Next up is coilovers, but here's how driver's side looks.
It looks better than stocks, but
yeah.
Just needs to drop it with some cones, maybe like 2 inches.
Alright guys, the wheels are on both sides now. As you can see, it still sits a little high. That's due to it still being on the stock suspension, but Andrew's actually gonna order some coilovers pretty soon. He doesn't really want to go like super low, just like enough to close, you know, the wheel gap, and so it's still functional but looks good at the same time. So yeah, next, most likely some coilovers and an exhaust. But once we get that wheel gap closed, you guys could basically imagine how it's gonna look. Just imagine the Lancer, but the right height of the TL. So you can kind of imagine that right there. So yeah guys, make sure you leave a like down below. Make sure you comment and subscribe. What would you guys want to see for the next mod on the Lancer? Coilovers, an exhaust, a wing, some visors, an intake, I don't know. You guys comment down below. Yeah, leave a rating 1 through 10 on the wheels. Yeah, let's go test drive it. Oh yeah, and then I gave him my visor from the TL. It fits perfect. Sheesh. That looks way better, Droid. Look. Damn. What you think? Thumbs up? Alright guys, so we're driving the car right now just to, you know, make sure there's no weird noises, make sure, you know, one of the wheels don't fly off. But so far the car feels good. Feels way lighter now though, huh? Was this very like the 4th day of owning it and we already put wheels on it? And we already have a bunch of other things that we're gonna throw on, so make sure you guys subscribe. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Andrew actually went home because he ordered like a new head unit for his stereo, because the one he has now is like, it literally only fits cassette players. There's no aux cord or Bluetooth or nothing. So it just got there, so him and his dad are gonna go ahead and install that, and he's gonna come back tomorrow so we can do his coilovers. But yeah guys, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll install the coilovers on the Lancer. We'll upload that next. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out guys.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.